What up, though? I am your boy King Richard, aka the God of Rap from Creative Minds Entertainment. That's KME if you don't know. Bam, bam. You know now. Perplexing is the word of the day. Perplexing. It's perplexing in my mind what the actual age of adults is. In some states, I'm not talking about what's legal. Because in some states, I think they got 15, they got 16, and everywhere in America is 18, right? Why is it that so many grown women, super grown, however you define that, think that at 18, 19, and 20, sometimes even 21, 22, it's not grown for a woman? Y'all keep changing and moving the goalpost. Last time I checked, someone that is 18 in America is a legal adult. They can sign up to go to war. At first they could buy cigarettes. They changed it. Now you got to be 21 to buy tobacco, which is legal, which is weird. Kills people, but weed is illegal and it doesn't kill people. But you know it wouldn't be America if there weren't double standards. We all remember her, right? Of course we do. From Little and most notably Blackish. A great show, right? One of those shows that probably was better than you think it was, but black people didn't really watch it like that because it wasn't toxic enough. You know, we only love toxic stuff. Marsai Martin is her name. Well, she doesn't look like that anymore. She's a grown woman. And now she's modeling and exploring her femininity as an adult woman in Rihanna's Fenty Savage lingerie, sleepwear, whatever they got, you know. See this? And women online are losing their mind. You know what kind of women are losing their mind mostly? You guessed it. Ding, 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 ding. Tell the contestant what they want. Black women. And our incredible, amazing, earth-shattering sisters just can't seem. Well, some, let's put that in there. Some, a lot, of our sisters just can't seem to get past the narrative that she's being pimped out and she's not a woman and all of these things. And it's like, of course, as a man, if you speak on it and you're an adult man, now you're a creep, you're a pedophile, now mind you, we're talking about adults here. We're not talking about children. She's 18 years old and they're referring to her as a child on Twitter, Instagram, what have you. A child. Imagine that. You finally get into adulthood and people refer to you as a child. Adults have different responsibilities than children do. Adults are seen different in the world than children are. They did the same thing to Chloe and Halle. Remember that? When they crossed over into adulthood, they were approaching adulthood and people were mad. You know who were mad? Yes, that same group. I believe women are women and girls are girls. There is a line between the two of them. They are not the same and shouldn't be treated the same. Notice they call it liberation. They call it my body, my choice. But when it's a younger lady who is still an adult,
she should cover up. Look at her. She got on a cheetah print. She got her little boobies out, her little butt. They pimping her out and taking advantage of her sexually. And oh my God, the creeps have been waiting on her to turn 18.
Think Bad Baby of the Dr. Phil show, who turned rapper, turned OnlyFans. Do you really think that she's not making the decisions to pimp herself out, if you will? Y'all are making these decisions. Women. We're talking about women once again. No one is sexualizing women more than women. We're talking about women with choices. We're not talking about women that are taken advantage of We're not talking about women that are forced. We're not talking about that. Those are a separate category of victims that were made victims. Those women deserve to be protected. Those women deserve justice for the crimes that have been done against them. Stop compiling victims with able-bodied, sound-minded, grown women when it comes to their sexual liberation, their choices, their personal choices. My body, my choice. Y'all are not sticking to that. And when it comes to sexualization, I noticed that the sisters tend to sexualize their sons a lot. A lot. Your son is not your boyfriend. He's not your husband. I know. I've been around a ton. And they sexualize these little boys. They dress them up as if he one of the niggas in the club. Often letting your friends, your girlfriends, your homegirls, and other women say, oh, that's going to be my boyfriend. He's so cute. He's so this and it. What? Creepy alert. You creepy. You sexualize little boys all the time. Now, that doesn't mean we can sexualize young girls who are not of legal age. That's stupid. Once again, only pedos and creeps are okay with sexualizing a child, a minor. We're not talking about minors, though. We're talking about adults. Check yourself. Or you wreck yourself, like you say.